The top 3 mistakes that beginners make with Clickbank. What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and in this video I just want to quickly go over the 3 mistakes that a lot of beginners, or almost all beginners, make when they get started with Clickbank. And the reason why I wanted to create this video is because I have made all these mistakes as well, and it's inevitable that you're going to make these mistakes. So I just want to create this video to prevent you from making the mistakes, or just to understand why this is wrong, and make you think of what you can do basically to prevent this, or to minimize the damage that these mistakes will create. Okay, and the very first mistake that I see a lot of people make, and like I said, guys, I have made these mistakes as well. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's just something that people just go through. It's naivety, and it's also the reason why a lot of people do fail with Clickbank and affiliate marketing, because when you make these mistakes, a lot of people just either give up, or they minimize the amount of time that they spend with affiliate marketing and Clickbank, and that is basically when you're basically just killing off the whole business model for yourself. So anyway, the first mistake I made, or the first thing that I realized with Clickbank and just affiliate marketing in general, is that it takes so much more traffic than you originally think. Okay, so obviously when you're starting out, you understand that the business model is, okay, get a certain amount of traffic onto a page. The landing page isn't yours, so that is something that you can't do anything about unless you create a bridge page. Then obviously you can do something about it. But the goal is to get traffic onto the page, and then hopefully you get a conversion out of it. And then once you get the conversion, you can start tweaking things and optimizing. But literally 1 to 3% of the people that end up on that actual landing page will end up buying from that page or purchasing. So for every 100 clicks, only 1 to 3 people will purchase. And that is something that was mind-blowing to me at first. I thought that would be much higher. So let's say there is a bridge page. I've already done the calculations in a previous video. Let's say there is a bridge page. That means that a percentage of the people that see the ads are going to click through. A percentage that click through, actually look at the bridge page and engage with it and click through to that again. And then of the people that are still left over, only 1 to 3% actually end up making the purchase. And if that is only a $30 product, and you'll get a commission off that, it takes a while to actually make a sustainable income out of this. So the first realization / mistake is underestimating the amount of traffic that you actually need to consistently get that $100 a day mark, which is what most of my videos have been about. The second mistake I see a lot of beginners make, and a mistake that I've made as well, is thinking that you won't lose money. I thought if I'm careful with it, I use the 3-day rule. I am very apathetic about the ads. I kill or scale. I basically take emotion out of the equation. I thought if I do all that and I'm careful with it, I start small and scale up, I will minimize the amount of money I lose. But that was not the case. And looking back in hindsight, now that everything's up and running, it's much easier to look at it as a learning experience. But when you're going through it, it's so frustrating knowing that your own money is getting spent and you're not getting anything back for it. But looking back now, like I said, it is easier to look back now because it's up and running. But I basically gained a lot of experience, so I learned a lot of things from losing my own money. And secondly, I also gained a lot of data. So even though the ads weren't converting, I did gain a lot of data in terms of what doesn't work, but also for the pixel, I did get traffic onto the website. Yes, the traffic did not purchase, but it's still traffic that I can use for later ads, or for later retargeting. I can create custom audiences, lookalike audience, etc. Okay, maybe not lookalike audience, but I can create a custom audience from that and then retarget them with more ads. So all is not lost. Okay, I have lost money, but I've learned so much more in the process of losing that money, and I said I've gained data from that as well. Third mistake I see a lot of people making, and like I said, I've made myself, is basically picking products with a high initial sale and then no upsells. And this is something that I've constantly been doing, is trying to find products that have a high initial sale, because I wanted to hit that $100 a day mark consistently. And basically the products and let's say products that did not have the high initial sale but did have a lot of upsells. And looking back, I should have picked those products, products with upsells, rather than go for the products with the high initial sale. Why? Because you're basically increasing the lifetime value of that customer. So let's say the initial sale is, let's say, $100, and that there's no upsells. Yeah, okay, you will gain that $100 right away. But if the initial sale is $10 and then there's like $1,000 with upsells, yeah, you won't get the money right away. But over time, they will go up that value ladder if they like the product, and you will gain more money from it. Same goes for subscription-based products. Like I said, I went for the products with the highest initial sale, and it did not really look like the recurring income and the recurring subscriptions. But looking back, I will now probably rather pick a product that is like $10 a month, rather than a $40 to $50 sale and then no other subscription-based products or anything attached to it. And with that said, what I have also noticed is that the products with upsells actually perform much better than just the one-off products, because it's part of a series. There's more value being added, and more often than not, because that person has an upsell, and there's all funnels attached to it, etc., rather than just someone trying to push a one-off product. So when looking through Clickbank, make sure you look at products that are either subscription-based, have upsells, or have something that increases the lifetime value of that customer. And guys, before we wrap up, I just want to finish off with a sort of fourth mistake / my bonus for you guys, is thinking that you don't need to invest in yourself. And that is, again, something that I understood, but I never applied at the start of affiliate marketing and CPA, Clickbank, etc. Is just invest in yourself, guys. Like if you can spend, let's say, $500 for a course, a mastermind, coaching, whatever, but from that $500, from that course, the coaching or the mentorship, you gain thousands of dollars worth of experience and mistakes and things that not to do. That is definitely worth it, in my opinion. You cut your learning curve. Basically, you can spend hours and days and weeks and months trying to figure it out by yourself, or you can learn from someone who's already done it, learn from their mistakes, and then you know exactly what to do and what not to do. And that's probably the most important thing, is what not to do.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.